Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I was busy in my um, different training courses, and that's the reason I was not able to post so much videos on YouTube. But as the time allows, I will start putting more videos on my channel related to process engineering. I would request that please like my videos and subscribe to my channel so that it give the it, it reaches to the different platforms, and many people can see it, and the knowledge can spread like this. So this is just one slide where I gave a training, like 1 week training in UK about the storage tank construction. So they were a group of refinery operators. They wanted some trainings about how the storage tanks work, how the crude is stored in the storage tank. So I thought of just telling some of a few aspects of my training, and I do give paid trainings in case you want a group of you want a paid training. So there are different topics I can cover, ranging from process design, process safety, to utility designs, plus about different processes, how the equipment sizing works, and stuff like that. I'm not covering any training on HISIS because HISIS training, I cannot use my office softwares because they are dedicated for office. And personally, I cannot procure HISIS software because they are very costly for the personal use. Rather, if you want, I can make a checklist of simulations and how the simulations are done. So there are different aspects where uh, if you want to learn about training of the softwares, you have to go to the particular owners of the softwares and do a proper training over there. So I'm not claiming that I'm giving a full-fledged training on the softwares. So this is just a generic process platform, and I'm using this channel to convey a general process design concepts to our process engineers actually. So let's go back to my training which I gave actually. I've just give a glimpse of it. Deep dive I will not do because that will be a very uh, long video which I don't want to make. Uh, I want to make around 5, 10 minutes, 10 minutes videos actually, and just get a glimpse. In case you want training similar to this one, you have to contact me through my LinkedIn direct message, and from there we can start invoicing and looking for the dates where I can give online training via Teams. So this was a training which was done by me on storage tanks. It was in London. There was a group of operators which I told you, and the targeted groups you can see is HTC professional, engineers, facility operators, officers. So they were all which operators were all government entity, and they wanted to know about different types of tanks, how the crudes are stored and stuff like that. So competency is like understanding storage design, learned ability, advanced knowledge, sprint proficiency, skills to mitigate technical proficiency. Then course objective was demonstrate proficiency, understand fundamentals principle, identify key engineers, understanding the regulatory requirements within the gas and sectors, as common construction, develop and implement maintenance strategies, assess environmental impact, and utilize digital tools for effective monitoring and enhance emergency response and still prevention. So see the day one, this was the fundamental which was covered, like fundamental of storage tanks, uh, overview of tank functional engineering standards, assessment constitution, use of advanced software for the design modeling, and um, let's see what was covered in day two. So day two, I covered this one, overview of tank construction, step-by-step construction, welding techniques, important corrosion prevention, testing, and certification procedure, post-construction inspection, technique for troubleshooting, project management. So total there were 155 slides. So you can see it is massive training which was given, and it was a very enriched training where um, the peoples were very much enjoyed the training, and they said that they have enriched their knowledge actually about the storage tanks. So what about day three? Let me go to the slides where uh, when we went to the day three. Yeah, so day three, this was covered maintenance and strategy of inspection techniques, improve proactive maintenance, common failures, visual ultrasonic, conducting repairs, replacement of damaged tanks, tank cleaning procedures, introduction to predictive maintenance, regulatory compliance, best practice for creating maintenance schedule, and following up on the tasks, identify early signs of wear tear, emergency protocols for maintaining issues, overview of life cycle cost and energy for tank maintenance, record keeping and document practice for the maintenance activities. So this was covered on day three. Let's go to day four. So day four, I covered this understanding of corrosion mechanism, selection of coating material, applicable techniques of protective coating, catalytic protection, factor influencing coating and reference schedule, overview of corrosion engineering, industry inclusion, case study, impact of environment factor, training, corrosion detection, environment compliance, and regulatory guidelines. This was covered on day four, and similarly, uh, day five. So day five, I covered these are the main topics, which is identifying hazards and customer risk assessment, developing emergency response, fire safety measures. So mostly safety, environmental impacts on tax operation, regulatory standards for environmental safety, training promotion of safety culture, case study for integral and pleasure learned from the tank failures, handling hazardous material, safety equipment for workers, strategy and improvement, continuous improvement approaches for tank safety and operations. So these were the some of the aspects which I covered, and you can see there were total 150 plus slides were there, and you can see uh, the uh, the expansion and the depth of the training which I gave actually, and hopefully you will also, in case you are planning to book a training on similar aspects, do approach me via the LinkedIn DM facility, and from there we can start this training procedure. There are some charges for that one, and based on that I can give a group training on this tanks. So hopefully you liked my video. Do like and subscribe my channel, and and please write in the comments which kind of training you are wanting, which kind of videos you want, and accordingly I will I will start posting more videos on this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.